बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Ninth class mathematics, chapter number 6, exponents and logarithms. And today we have lecture number 10. So let's start our lecture. Today we start the exercise 6.3 and question number 1. We change the ordinary numbers to the scientific notation. So our first question is 0.051. We have to change 0.051 into the scientific notation. So we know that as we learn in the class 7th, 8th and 6th, whenever we have to remove the point in the mathematics, so we write the 1 in denominator at the place of point. In the question, we have the point here is 0.051. After the points, we have 3 digits, 0, 5, and 1. So that's why we write 1 and 3 0. So it becomes 1000. Okay. Now, how many digits we have in numerator? We have 5 and 1. Okay. There are some rules for converting the ordinary number into the scientific notation. And what are these rules? These rules are, whenever we have to convert a number in the scientific notation, we only have 1 digit before the point. Okay, before the point, or we can say that on the left hand of the point we have only 1 digit, a single digit, and that digit does not equal to 0. As 0.051 in this question, we only have 0, 1 digit before the point, but problem is before the point we don't have any 0. We always have 1 digit and digit between 1 to 9. Okay, 1 to 9, any digit. So whenever we convert the ordinary number into the scientific notation, so first rule is before the point we have only 1 digit and that digits belongs from the 1 to 9. Okay, now in denominator we have 1000. So we can write 51 divided by 100 multiply 1 divided by 100. Now 51 divided by 10, it becomes 5.1. When you divide the 51 divided by 10, it becomes 5.1. Multiply 1 divided by 100. 10 powers 2, because whenever you take the square of 10, it becomes 100. 100 is the square of 10. And we know that when we take the any number, any variable or constant from denominator to numerator, or from denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator, so its power sign will be changed. So that's why we write 10 power minus 2. Now 0.051 convert into the scientific notation. Okay. Now start the question number 2, 89.99. Okay. So first of all, here is the point. So we write 1. After the point we have 2 digits. So that's why we write 20. So 100. Okay. Now we know that we have to write 8.999, because in scientific notation we know before the point we only have 1 digit, and which digit is belongs from 1 to 9. So that's why we have to write 8.999. So we multiply with 10 and divide with 10, because whenever we write 8.999, so we have to write 8,999 divided by 1000. Okay, why? Because we know that if we have the point 89.99, so in denominator we must have 100, because after the point we have 20. But if we have point here 8.999, so we must have 30 in denominator, because after point we have 3 digits. So that's why we multiply with 100 and divide with 100. Okay, so it becomes 8.999 multiplied 10 powers 10 power 1. Okay, so our next question, 0.424. In this question we have 0 before the point. One condition is true. One condition is true. Which condition? Before the point we only have single digit. So in this question we have single digit. But our second condition is before the point we have one digit, but that digit is not equal to 0. So our second condition is false, because in this question we have 0 before the point. But we know that before the point we only have digits from 1 to 9. Okay, so we move the point from 0.424 to 4.24. So we move the point right side one step. Okay, so we move the point right side one step. Okay, now when we remove the point, for removing the point, we write here 424 divided by 1000. Okay, now we know that when we write 4.24, so after point we have 2 digits. So that's why in denominator we must have 20, because after the points we have 2 digits, so we write 20 in denominator. So that's why we write here 4 to 4 divided by 100. When we convert 4 to 4 divided by 100, it becomes 4.24, because we know that when we divide 424 divided by 100, it becomes 4.24. Multiply, why we write 10 power minus 1? Because here is 1 over 10, power is positive. But when we take 10 from denominator to numerator, it becomes minus 1. Question number 4. Okay, now in this question, we don't see any point in the question. Okay, whenever we don't have any point in the question, it means we have the point at the end. At the end means we have the point here after the 4. Okay, we have point after the 4 here. So now we convert this number into scientific notation, and we know that in scientific notation we only have one digit before the point. So that's why we have to write this question in 2.566324. Before the point we only have one digit. So after the point, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after the points we have 6 digits. Okay, in the answer after points we have 6 digits. So we write in denominator 1 and 6 zeros. Okay, and we know that if in the question we can multiply with 2, so we have to divide with 2. So if we write here 1 and 60, so we have to multiply with 1 and 60, means 10 lakh. Okay, now when we divide 2566324 divided by 10 lakh, it becomes 2.566324. and multiply 10 power 6. Why 10 power 6? Because here we have 1 and 6 0. Here we have 1 and 6 0. So that's why we write here 10 power 6. Okay. Question number 5. 0.000000, 6 zeros and 75. First condition is true and second condition is false. Before the point we have single digit. First condition is true. Second condition is before the point we don't have any zero, but in the question we have zero. So our second condition is false. So we have to convert it into scientific notation. And in scientific notation, we have to move the point from this place to after the 7. We must have 7.5. Okay. Now we have point, so we write in the place of point 1, and after the point how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so we write the 7 zeros, so our point will be removed. Okay, now when we remove these zeros, so we write 1 and 7 0. Now 75 divided by 10 multiply 75, 1 divided by 1 and 7 zeros. Okay ji? So now why we divide 75 of divided by 10? Why? Because we know that when we divide 75 divided by 10, it becomes 7.5. Okay, it becomes 7.5, and multiply, we can write this term 10 power 7 because we have 7 zeros. And when we write 1 divided by 10 power 7 in denominator to numerator, its power sign will be changed. Positive 7 change into negative 7. So our question will be solved. Now question number 6. Now these questions are given in the scientific form, and we have to convert them in decimal form. Okay ji. This question is opposite as we solve the question number 1 to 5. In question number 1 to 5 we have the question in decimal form and we have to convert them into scientific notation. But in question number 6 we have the scientific notation and we have to convert them into ordinary or decimal form. Okay ji. Now we know that 0.86 multiply 10 power minus 4. Okay, 10 power 4. So here we write 10 power 4 means 1 and 4 0. Okay, and we remove the point. When we remove the point, we write 1, and after the point we have 2 zeros. Okay, here after the point we have 2 0. So that's why we write here 1 and 2 0. Here is 10 power 4. So that's why we write 1 and 4 0. Okay. Now 2 0 and 2 0 cancel. Okay. Here 2 0 cancel with 2 0. So remaining is 2 0. 86 multiply 100 is 8600. Okay. So next question. Question number 7. Okay ji. Now we know that here is 1.345. Okay. So we have here point 1.345. So we write here 1 and 3 0 because after the point we have 3 digits. So that's why we write here 1000. Okay. Now here we have 10 power minus 5. So when we write 10 power minus 5 in denominator, so it becomes 10 power 5. Power will be changed. Okay. Now 10 power 5 can be written as 1 and 5 zeros, means 1 lakh. 10 power 5 means 1 and 5 zeros. Okay. Now this 1 lakh multiply with 1000. So it becomes 150 and 30 total is 80. Now 1345 divided by 1 and 80, so it becomes 0.00001345, because in denominator how many zeros? Total is 8 zeros. Okay, so when we divide 1345, there are 4 digits. There are 4 digits in numerator, but in denominator we have 8 zeros. Okay, so when we have here 4 digits in numerator and denominator we have 8 digits, so we write 40 before these 4 digits, and then we write point 0.00001345, which is your required answer of the question number 7. Okay, now question number 8. In question number 8, 5.1 multiply 10 power minus 9. Here is point. This is point. Okay, G. Now, after the point we have 1 digit, so that's why we write here 10, means 10. Okay. Now, here we have 10 power minus 9. So 10 power minus 9, we change them in 10 power plus 9, because when we write any number or any variable from numerator to denominator, its power sign will be changed. So minus sign change into plus 9. Okay. Now 10 power 9, it becomes 1 and 90. Okay. Now when we multiply with 10, it becomes 1 and 10 0. Okay, Ji. Now when we divide 51 divided by 1 and 10 0, in numerator we have 2 numbers, so remaining 0 is 8. So we write 80 before the 51, and then we write the 51. So 0.8 zeros and then 51, which is your required answer of the question number 8. Okay. Now we start the question number 9. So in question number 9, we have 0.525. In this question, we have here point 0.525. After the point, we have how many digits? 3 digits. 5, 2, 5. How many digits? 3 digits. Okay. So that's why we write here 1 and 30. Okay. Now 10 power minus 7. 10 power minus 7. So when we write the 10 power minus 7 in denominator, it becomes 10 power plus 7. And 10 power plus 7 means 1 and 70. Okay. So when we multiply 1000 with 1 and 70, it becomes total 10 0 in denominator. But in numerator, we only have 3 digits. So we know that total is 10 0, means after the point we have 10 digits. Okay. 3 digits are 5 to 5. So remaining is 7 digits. So that's why we write here 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 zeros. And after 7 zeros, we write 5 to 5. Totally 10 digits. Because in denominator we have 10 zeros. So that's why we have to write after point 10 digits. Okay. Now question number 10. In question number 10, 636.5 multiply 10 power minus 6. Now how we solve this question? देखें जी. Here is 636.5. After point we have only 1 digit. So that's why we write here 10. Because after point we have only 1 digit. So we write here 10. Okay. Here is 10 power minus 6. So we write in denominator, it becomes 10 power plus 6. Because We know that when we have power negative, so we write the number from numerator to denominator or from denominator to numerator. So its power sign will be changed. Okay. Now 10 multiply 1 and 60 means 10 lakh. Why? Because 10 power is 6 and 10 power 6 is 1 and 60. Now 10 multiply 1 and 60, it becomes total 70 in the denominator. Okay. Now if we have in denominator 70, so we must have in answer after the point 7 digits. Okay. Again, I repeat this. If we have 7 digits in denominator, so we must have 7 digits after the point in our answer. But in numerator, we have only 4 digits. But in numerator, we have only 4 digits. Okay. So here we have 4 digits. So we write 30 before these 4 digits. So that's why we write here 0, 0, 0. After 30, we write 6365. So total is 7 digits. So our answer is right, because we know that if we have 0 in the denominator, so we have to write 7 digits after the point in answer. We have only 4 digits. So that's why we write here 0, 0, 0 and 6365. Okay. Now question number 11. Simplify and write in scientific notation. 0.96 multiplied 10 power 7 divided by 2 multiplied 10 power 4. Okay, ji. Here is 0.96 multiplied 10 power 7 divided by 2 multiplied 10 power 4. 2 ones are 2. And when we divide 0.96 with 2, it becomes 0.48. Okay. As we know that we done these type of questions in our previous chapter. When we take any variable, any number, any constant from denominator to numerator or from numerator to denominator, its power sign will be changed. Okay, now here is 10 power 4, and when we take 10 power 4 from denominator to numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 4. So 7 minus 4, 3. So that's why we write here 10 power 3. Okay, now why we write here 100? Because here 0.48, after the point we have 2 digits. So we write 20 after 1. Okay, now we have to write 4, 8 divided by 10. Okay, multiply 1 divided by 10, and 10 power 3 is 1000. So why we write 48 divided by 10? Because we know that in scientific notation, we must have a single digit before the point, and when we divide 48 divided by 10, it becomes 4.8. Okay, it becomes 4.8, and this 10 cancel with 1000, so it becomes 100, and we write 10 square because we know that 100 is the square of 10. So we write 4.8 multiply 100, and we in the answer we write 4.8 multiply 10 square. Question number 12. 2.61 multiply 4 multiply 10 power 8 divided by 10 power 3. Okay, now 2.61 multiply 4, 10.44. When we take the 10 power 3 from denominator to numerator, it becomes 8 minus 3, 10 power 5. So now here is 10.44. Okay, so we write, move the point one step to the left hand side, so it becomes 1.044, and multiply 10 power 5 plus 1, 6, which is your required answer. Question number 13. 5 to 1 multiply 10 power 3 multiply 12 divided by 2 multiply 10 square. Okay, जी. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Now 5 to 1 multiply 6, multiply 10 power 3 minus 2 is 10. 3 1 2 6 multiply 10. Okay, ji. Now we know that as we move the point from here, it would have don't point. So it means we have the point after the last digit. So we have here point after the 6. Okay. Now if we have the point after the 6, so it becomes when we move the point 3 step to the left hand side. From the 6 we move to the before the 6, before 2, before 1. So it becomes 3.126. Okay. So it becomes 10 power 4 because we move 3 step. So 10 power 1 plus 3 is 10 power 4, which is your required answer. Question number 14. Convert 4.5 multiply 10 power 5 centimeter into meter and write the solution in decimal form. We know that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So 4.5 multiplied 10 power 5 centimeter equal to 4.5 multiply 100 multiply 5 power 10 power 5 divided by 100 meter. Okay, ji. Now 10 power 5 is means 50. Okay, so that's why we write 45 and 40. Because of this point, we write 40. In denominator, we have 20. 20 cancel 4500 meter, which is your required answer. The radius of the earth is 64 kilometer. Convert it into meters and write the solution in scientific notation. Okay, the radius of earth is 6400 kilometer. Okay, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So first of all, we change kilometer into meter. So we write 1000 meter. Now 6400 multiply 1000. Okay, so it becomes 64 lakh meter. So we have to write here 6.4. So we write multiply 10 power 6. Why? Because we have to move 6 steps to the left hand side, so we write 10 power 6. Okay, 10 power 6 meter, which is your required answer of this question. Now, if you have any problem or any question, you can text me